mga tao.
Hoy!
Ay, ako tinan mo, ako talaga, naganda ako, di ba? Ganyan, pak, gano'n.
Yan ba ang gusto mo? Ito, naghanda rin ako. Pak! Bakit gusto niyo makita yung tunay niyong ama?
Kapal ang mukha mo?
Oo.
Alam mo, hindi, si Tekla po kasi, kahit anong suotin naman kasi niyan, hindi rin pinapansin ng mga tao. Sa totoo
Oo,
lang.
kasi nung nakita ko sa mannequin, ang ganda eh.
Tapos?
Nung sinuot ko, wala nang kwenta. Huwag ka nataktanto na may mga damit pang mannequin lang.
So, ibig sabihin, huwag ka na magsuot ng ganyan.
Sige.
Pero alam mo, si Tekla po sa personal, maayos na itsura, tama? Kasi okay naman yung ilong mo, maganda.
Okay naman yung ilong ko, yung mata
ilong
ko.
mo, hindi masyadong pango. Sakto lang. Yung mata mo, okay.
Okay naman.
Yung kilay.
Kilay, okay naman. Yung kisig, okay naman. Hindi lang talaga sila magkasundo.
So, dapat?
May mga gap. Minsan maayos naman si mata at saka si ilong, chinichismis nito. Wala din.
Okay, kayo na ba tayo nagsasalita ng Tagalog? Ang daming mga ibang lahi.
Of course, I can speak English, Denita. Don't you ever underestimate...
Ano?
Taka.
Tuloy mo. Tuloy mo. Ayan, ang dami nila, iba-iba yung mga lahi na kikita.
Yeah. I saw, especially your... Yes, sir, where are you from?
Ano?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Kung sa awain, tarantado ka talaga dito yan.
You know Harry Potter?
Ano? Sino?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter?
Harry Potter is my brother.
And?
That makes my mother a Potter. So we are anak ng Potter.
So, Potter.
Potter, you know.
No, hi sir, nice meeting you and is she your wife?
Oh my God, palakpakan naman natin isa namang Pilipina nakaahon sa kahirapan.
So, baka naman Tekla?
Did you know you are so lucky that you are married a Filipina?
Why you say so?
Because Filipina is the best wife in the whole wide world. You know what? Filipina are very loving.
Yes.
Filipina are caring.
Yes.
And you know, Filipina is very stretching. You know the muning, very stretchable, okay? You know what? One size fits all.
No, we are very accommodating. Yeah, we can accommodate all sizes, you know that?
You love Filipina?
Yeah, of course.
How about as Filipino? You love? You must try as Filipino.
Why?
You wanna enter my bat cave? If you wanna go inside, oh my God, you can see only one thing.
What?
Piliin mo rin ng Pilipinas.
Ay, ate, hindi, biro lang po ha. Ayan. Matagal na po kayong mag-asawa.
Did he move you?
Ano?
Did he move her?
Ano?
Did he?
Ano na?
Ito naman tol.
Ano pong sasabi mo?
Did he move her?
Ano yung nag-move?
Kung nagalaw niya na ba? Did he move in?
Inurong lang. Hindi, parang do you have kids?
Yeah, kids. Baka naman sa ibang butas na papasok ate.
Teka, sadali lang.
Sorry.
Ikaw sabi nga sa akin, for how long you been married? 10 years. And you don't have... it's okay.
Ate, ako may kaibigan.
You speak in English.
I have a friend.
Yes.
And they're good.
Bobo talaga yung tao kita. Bobo pa. Ayun, doctor.
I have a friend. You know, they're almost 10 years together.
Yes.
They have no
Kids. Yeah. So, what did they do?
I advised her that she's going to dance in Ubando, Bulacan.
Because I would like to give you some background about Ubando, Bulacan. When you didn't, when you're wife and you're married for 10 years and you didn't have a kid, you know, you just need to go to the Philippines. It's Ubando, Bulacan. Then you need to dance.
Yeah.
For you to have, kids.
You know, grabe yung advice ko talaga yun. 3 araw sumayaw sa Ubando, Bulacan.
3 araw?
Sayaw siya ng sayaw. Ayun, nakunan.
So, buntisa ka lang. Have you been to the Philippines? Oh, that's nice. Where? Pangasinan. Okay.
Have you been to Boracay? Yes. Have you been to the island of Boracay? That's a very nice island.
Yes.
If you lots of the budget, you go to the island of Boracay. If you don't enough budget,
Yes, where?
you go to the other side of Boracay.
Where's that?
The on the cock.
Tekla!
How I miss the cock? That's an island.
No, actually, it's a beach in the Philippines, the Cock. Yeah, the Cock, Palawan, Boracay, okay? So if you've never been there, you just try to go there and visit the Cock.
And I suggest that you have to go to the most friendly place in the Philippines.
Where's that?
The people there are nice, very
They're
nice.
friendly, accommodating,
You
yes.
go to Basilan, Sulu. Once they like you, they will never let you go. They keep your head as a souvenir.
Takutin si Raulo ka.
Have you been kidnapped before? Not yet. Oh, don't